Fatin. Today we'll talk about your class 3 English for today, and that is the unit 8, and your unit name is the ant and the grasshopper, right? And the grasshopper. These two things. So let's begin the story, and we find it out how this unit is actually for you. All right. So if you see there, draw a picture of a sunny summer morning and cold, gloomy winter morning and display them in the classroom, right? So what you need to do in there? First of all, you have to draw a picture of sunny summer morning. Sunny summer morning is the sunshine, right? And then also you put some cold and gloomy. Gloomy means you're not in a good weather. It's a gloomy. It's like a cloudy something. And the winter morning, right? Everything is there, like summer and winter, both is there. And display them in the classroom. You have to display on your classroom, right? That you have to do. So what happened in there? What is actually grammatical part in there? If you focus the grammar, right? Why the grammar is using it? Yes. Okay. So what is the grammar things is in your chapters? Do you know the grammar stuff? It is basically, in a grammar, what you need to do, you have to make a right sentence, right? Like subject, verb, and object. But other things also important for your grammar. What is that? It is called punctuation. Look at that. This is called punctuation mark. And punctuation mark, many things in punctuation mark. That is using it usually during when you're going to write your sentence. You have to, what types of sentence? Because sentence could be your question, sentence could be your exclamatory, wow, nice flower, right? Or it could be request, or you can make some separate of your nouns. So how are you going to do it? You must have to use some special symbol, and this special symbol is called punctuation, right? So tell me what is the special symbol is there? What's that? You have idea?
What?
This symbol is a special symbol. What's the name of this?
What?
It's the exclamatory sign. Exclamatory sign. Bolo, exclamatory sign. Exclamatory sign for like আবেগ, উচ্ছ্বাস যদি প্রকাশ করো তাহলে এই সাইনটা ইউজ করো। যেমন wow, nice flower. Right? So তখন কি করবে লাস্ট সেন্টেন্সে তোমাকে কি ইউজ করতে হবে এই সাইনটা দিতে হবে তাহলে বুঝাবে তুমি বিস্ময় oh I'm very sorry, right? Then you have to use this sign, so it's called exclamatory sign. So to surprise, if you want to surprise, sometimes you surprise, wow,
I like this Lego.
no, right? Hey,
I like this Lego.
yeah. So, and for making a question, if you want to make a question, how did you do that? What is your what's your roll number? Where did you go yesterday? So that is the question, right? So question করতে গেলে সেন্টেন্সের শেষে আমাকে কোন সিম্বলটা ইউজ করতে হবে এই যে এই সিম্বল, and it is called the question mark. এটা কি বলা হয়? Question mark is used, and for a short pause the sentence, তুমি যদি সেন্টেন্সে শর্ট পজ দাও, ধরো সেন্টেন্সটা শেষ হয় নাই বাট তুমি একটু পজ দিছো আবার শুরু করলা, তাহলে সেই ক্ষেত্রে কি ইউজ করা হয়? কমা। এটা কি বলা হয়? কমা, রাইট? কমা আর ইউজ। তার মানে আমরা এখানে কি কি পেয়েছি? আমরা পেয়েছি এক্সক্লেমেটরি সাইন, বলো এক্সক্লেমেটরি সাইন, কোয়েশ্চেন মার্ক আর কমা। এখন দেখি এটা কিভাবে ইউজ করেছে সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে। ওকে, কি লিখেছে? হোয়াট এ বিউটিফুল বার্ডস, বলো what a beautiful bird, right? It means What a beautiful bird.
Bird.
So কি সাইন ইউজ করেছে? এক্সক্লেমেটরি সাইন। তারপর হু ইজ হি? হু ইজ হি এটা কি? কোয়েশ্চেন মার্ক, রাইট? এটা কি? কোয়েশ্চেন, হু ইজ হি? তুমি জিজ্ঞাসা করছো ওটা কে? হু ইজ হি? হি ইজ মাই টিচার, হি ইজ মাই ফ্রেন্ড, হি ইজ মাই ব্রাদার। হ্যাঁ, সো কোয়েশ্চেন করলে তোমাকে কিন্তু এই বাক্যটা ইউজ করতে হবে। তারপর হচ্ছে আই রিড, রাইট
Right.
এন্ড প্লে। এখন তুমি যদি এটাকে সেপারেট করো তাহলে কমা দিতে হবে না? হ্যাঁ, এটাকে সেপারেট করেছে, রাইট? এটাকে বলে সেপারেট। তার মানে এগুলো এক্সক্লেমেটরি সাইন ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট as a student. When you're going to read properly, when you're going to write properly, you must have to understand the punctuation. Without punctuation, you'll never be a good student. You'll never have a 100% number. Anyone can write, but if they are not following the punctuation properly, they are never ever get a good marks. Are they going to get a good marks? Why? Why they're not going to good marks? What's your idea? Because you won't understand it properly. তুমি যদি কোশ্চেন মার্কটা না ইউজ করো, এক্সক্লেমেটরি সাইন না ইউজ করো, আমি কি করে বুঝবো যে এটা কি বলতেছে? আমার কোথায় থামতে হবে আমি বুঝতে পারবো? আই ডোন্ট নো। বাট এটা হচ্ছে তোমার একটা পজ মার্ক, কোথায় কিভাবে থামবা, কিভাবে কোশ্চেন করবা, কি করবো, রাইট? ওকে, পড়া আসো এখানে। ইন পেয়ার রিড দ্য স্টোরি বি অ্যাবাভ। ওখানে যে একটা স্টোরি ছিল তুমি যেটা পড়েছো, and underline the question mark and exclamatory mark and comma, right? And put punctuation mark. এখন আমাকে বলো আমাদের গল্পটার মধ্যে এই যে বি আছে না, বি স্টোরি, ওখানে আমরা একটু দেখো, দেখো বি স্টোরিতে যাই আমরা। বি স্টোরিতে তুমি বলো কোথায় কি হবে, ঠিক আছে? দেখি তুমি কি বলো।
No, হ্যাঁ এখানে শুধু হয়
কোথায়?
এই যে নয় দিকে
এটা তো এ, আমরা বি এর কথা বলছি। স্টোরি বি ইজ দ্য এ, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য বি? এই যে বি স্টোরি, রাইট? তুমি এখানে বলবা কখন কি হবে। বি, listen to the story and one sentence at a time. Read it, group and necessary to help you. Read the story individually and tick the answer box. আচ্ছা, এখানে বলবা কোনটা হবে। What is the grasshopper doing in the summer morning? এটা কি করেছে? কোশ্চেন মার্ক, রাইট? তাহলে কি হবে আনসারটা?
বি
হি ইজ কি করছিল? গ্রাসহপার
এনজয় দ্য ফান
এনজয় দা, এনজয়িং দ্য সান, এনজয়িং দ্য সান। এটা কিন্তু নরমাল সেন্টেন্স। এখানে দেখো ফুল স্টপ ইউজ করেছে, রাইট? পরেরটা দেখো, what is the ant doing in the summer? এটা কোশ্চেন করেছে, রাইট? The summer, she is, what she was doing in the summer time?
carrying on ear of corn.
Carrying an ear of corn in summer time.
Yes, শীতকাল আসতেছে তাই
তো দেখে তো এখানে কি যে আছে, সামার টাইমে সে কি করেছে? Look at that. Now the ant is passing by the grasshopper and she is carrying an ear of corn, right, to her house, right, to her house. And she's storing food for winter. Why? English. She speak in English. Why they carrying this corn?
Winter time, all tree plants all
Thinking the water. Winter time. Winter time is very cold. They all are go get out because they're gonna die from there. You understand? Winter time is very difficult for them to get out. That's why in the summertime they collect the corns and they store it in their home. So in the winter time they are not go out, but they're going to eat this food to survive for 6 months. You understand? That's why ant is covering these corns from there. Like look at the corns. All right. So the grasshopper laugh at her and says, what she say?
Hey ant,
Hey ant,
why do you work hard all time?
all the time. Why do you work hard all the time? Come and join me.
Come and join me.
Let's
Enjoy the sun.
enjoy the sun. Right? He's just saying let's enjoy the sun. And কি বলেছে? The ant
The ant
goes her way and and continues
Continue.
hard work. Because ant is not listen to her, right? Because ant knew about it. If they are not doing hard work, if they're not collecting the food now, so they won't survive. They will die, right? So they know that. তারপর কি বলছে? After summer, the winter begins.
Again.
Okay, the days become very
Very
cold.
cold.
The leaves are falling down everywhere. The grasshopper finds no food to eat. Look at that. The grasshopper that moment was singing a song and said, "Hey, enjoy the sing. Don't do the hard work." Right? But what happened to the ant? The ant is always do the hard work, right? He believe in that if you don't do the hard work, if you don't keep the money in there, so it would be a big problem for him, right? So that's the problem actually there. So what happened to now? The hopper, grasshopper find no food
Die.
to eat. He starves. সে ক্ষুধার্ত ছিল, right? And he becomes weak and sad. Right? Now এখন তুমি এখানে দেখো, on the other hand, তাহলে on the other hand যে হার্ড ওয়ার্ক করেছে and সে কি করছে? The ant has plenty of food. Plenty of food মানে কি? অনেক খাবার তার আছে, right? Look at that. He's sitting down there enjoying his corns. No, I'll wait. And then she is passing her time
Happily
at her cozy home, right? Cozy means very enjoyable, comfortable. It's a cozy. Do you have a cozy room?
Yeah.
Yeah? You have a cozy room. Yeah, you're doing really cozy, right? You're sitting down there enjoying your meals or sometimes watching the movies and programs, cartoons, especially Lego, right? You love Lego?
I like Lego cartoon and Lego movie.
All right. Now we come over their question. Now you're gonna get it through. So what is the ant doing in the summer? She's carrying an ear of corn. Well done. তারপর আসো. How does the grasshopper pass the winter? How does the pass winter? সে কিভাবে কাটাচ্ছিল? He
Find no food and starving.
Yes, he no food at all and starving. Well done. Okay, তারপর how does the ant pass the winter? And how the pass the winter? She passes her time.
Happy the lazy home.
All right, happily at cozy home. Well done. Perfect.
Like করবেন.
Perfect. এখন আসো এখানে. Ask and answer the following question in pairs. Okay. All right. Where do the ant and the grasshopper live?
Grassfield.
Grassfield.
Yes.
All right. What does the ant carry to her house?
For winter.
What does? It's a corn.
Corn.
Corn is carrying the corn, right? Corn.
House.
What does the grasshopper say to the ant? What do you say? Hey,
Hey, and
don't do hard work.
don't have come in.
Come in and enjoy the music, right? Enjoy the music. Well done. Okay, grasshopper says. Now, what happened to the grasshopper in the winter?
He
What happened?
can find no food.
You're so cold,
They are so cold
and he
no
hasn't got any food, and he is so tired.
Weak and sad.
Yeah. So, what actually you learn from this? If you say that like summary of the word, right? Could you tell me the summary of the word? What is the summary of the word of the story? What the summary? What the real? Lesson from this story? How did you get this lesson from the story? That every person has to do hard work in their time, right? In their lifetime. If they want to enjoy their life, good way, in their bad time, right? So this is the story actually saying. For example, ant was doing hard work for the winters. Grasshopper ignored it. He never felt like this. But afterward, you are just falling these problems, right? Okay, this is the moral of the story.
And the question, does
What?
grasshopper die? Maybe life.
Where? Grasshopper.
Life, maybe die.
No, you are just suffering, not die, but you are suffering. He just said you're suffering, he doesn't get the food. So if you don't like in your age, right? If you study more, so you're gonna get a good job and enjoy your life, like your father do right now. You understand? But every single person has their own life. Your father did the study from university, now you're doing the government job. Right. So exactly you have a life. You have to get the education and also you make a good job to help your parents, right? And also your future generation, isn't it? So you have to do a hard work. Okay. So role play in pair, you have to role play like there is a two friend. One is the ant, one is a grasshopper in the class. So you have to do these things. All right. Okay. Now we talked about already this punctuation in this term, all right? So put punctuation mark. Tell me the punctuation now. What a bright day. এখানে কি হবে বলো তো?
হবে।
What a bright day. It's, I think, it's the exclamatory sign. Right, it's the exclamatory sign. What a bright day. Right, it's the exclamatory sign in there. দেখো তো কি আসছে? Well done. So if you want to put this punctuation in this story, so what a bright day. So you have to use the punctuation, right? Like exclamatory sign. The grasshopper is a dancing, singing and playing. So এখানে তিনটা একসাথে হয়ে গেছে, রাইট? তাহলে কি হবে? কমা হবে। Dancing, singing and playing in the sun. এটা কি হবে? সেন্টেন্স শেষটা? তাহলে কি হবে? ফুল স্টপ হবে, রাইট? ফুল স্টপ হবে। এটা সেন্টেন্স শেষ হয়ে গেছে। তোমাকে পাংচুয়েশনটা ইউজ করতে বলছে। তারপর কি? What is the ant doing? এখানে কি হবে বলো? কি সাইন হবে? Question mark. Yeah, because what is the ant doing? So you have to do the question mark. For he is carrying an ear of corn. কি হবে এটা? Full stop. Full stop, right? Full stop কে পিরিয়ড বলা হয় এটাকে। Full stop. আমি বুঝতে পেরেছো কিভাবে করতে হয় পাংচুয়েশনটা? হ্যাঁ? All right.